In all sorts of engineering disciplines, it's important to use lightweight materials, and you see that in today's bicycles and race cars and sports cars and airplanes. And so 10 years ago, when it was actually still pretty new, Autometrix made the decision to start using carbon fiber for their machine gantries. We make our equipment lightweight on purpose. It's not something that we just do to cut costs or anything like that, and we want to demonstrate that our equipment may be lightweight, but it's also really tough and will stand up under heavy use. We're going to go ahead and drive a Toyota pickup truck onto a beam, same beam that would show up on your machine, and we want to see what happens. So we put the truck in the middle of the beam. We drove it up. This is the same length beam that you would see in a 72-inch cutting width machine. We drove the truck, put the tire right in the center of that, and we measured the deflection. The beam bowed, and that was all. No damage to the beam, no noises, cracking, or anything like that, and now it's right back to how it was. Apparently that wasn't enough, so we've gone ahead and gone one more step, and we've got a Hummer showing up. We'll be driving the front end of a Hummer onto the beam. Well, we brought a Hummer in and drove it across the same exact beam that you would have on a 72-inch system, and we measured the offset about 1/4 of an inch, and the beam bounces right back to the shape that it was as soon as the load is removed. The toughness of this beam is definitely enough to withstand any industrial environment. Well, now that we're done for today, it's time to get a crew in here strong enough to move that beam that we just drove a Hummer across.